Want to know the secret of high precision welding? The key lies in these three core technologies. The micron-level lead screw delivers precise performance, paired with high refresh rate pressure detection and a powerful servo motion system. The micron-level lead screw delivers precise performance, achieving a positioning accuracy of 0.008 mm with repeatable precision. 64 kHz ultra-high refresh rate pressure monitoring, capturing pressure accurately at every moment, driven by a Mitsubishi servo motor. The welding head achieves millisecond response, ensuring rock-solid welding precision. Cycle efficiency is significantly improved, achieving a win-win situation for supply and demand.